Still saying very all the time? Let's take your English to the next level. In this quiz, you'll learn 30 new words that replace very plus adjective and sound more fluent, confident, and expressive. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Say, the floor is filthy. That means it's extremely dirty.
You can say, the lake is transparent. It means you can see right through the water.
Say, the view is stunning. That means breathtakingly beautiful.
You can say, the baby is adorable. It's stronger and warmer than very cute.
Say, it's scorching outside. That means extremely hot.
You can say, the exam was tough. It sounds natural and fluent.
Say, he's affluent. That means he has a lot of money. It's a more formal word for very rich.
Say, I'm weary. It means deeply tired, both physically and mentally.
You can say, this cake is delicious. It's the perfect upgrade for very tasty.
Say, the exam was effortless. That means you did it without struggle.
Say, the movie was dull. That means not interesting at all.
You can say, the water is freezing. That means extremely cold.
Say, my friend is hilarious. That means super funny. You can't stop laughing.
You can say, the soup is boiling. It means extremely hot.
Say, it's a vintage car. That means it's old but valuable and special.
You can say, he's towering. That means impressively tall.
Say, this bag is massive. It means extremely big and heavy.
You can say, the weather is awful today. That means terrible.
Say, I'm terrified of heights. It means extremely afraid.
You can say, the room is dazzling. That means brilliantly bright.
Say, the teacher is compassionate. It means deeply kind and caring.
You can say, this phone is costly. It's a formal way to mean very expensive.
Say, the shop is packed. That means it's full of people.
You can say the baby is tiny. It's the perfect replacement for very small.
Say, she's serene. It means completely calm and peaceful.
You can say the bag is inexpensive. It's polite and natural.
Say, this city is deafening. It means extremely noisy.
You can say that dress is vibrant. It means full of colour and energy.
Say, this hotel is luxurious. That means elegant and high class.
You can say the food was scrumptious. That means extremely tasty. Excellent work! Now you know 30 new ways to stop saying very. The next time you speak, use these strong adjectives. They'll make your English sound smooth, natural, and impressive. Don't forget to like, comment your favourite new word, and subscribe for more fun English lessons.